Hi friends, so today I'm back with one new video on the topic like how we can make projects which we are required for B.Tech. Okay, there are like major minor projects which we have to do in final year of B.Tech. So how we can make those projects, what the strategies we can have to build those projects. So I will try to give you what the things I have did in my B.Tech at an NIT Kushetra, and we will discuss thoroughly like how to choose projects from where you can take references and all in this video. So like when you are choosing any projects at your B.Tech level, so you can choose projects like related to your machine learning, your deep learning, or you can choose related to your web development, or someone can also make projects on the augmented reality. Okay, so such a kind of projects one can make, or one can also make projects on your robotics. Okay, where you are using your sensors, your Arduino and all such kind of your electronics thing like your sensors, your Arduino, your and such kind of things. You can use also those things to build your projects. Okay, so we will go through one by one. Like if you are interested in projects related to machine learning, which is very high in demand nowadays. So firstly, I will suggest you to do some basic courses in machine learning. Instead of just applying directly your libraries, your Keras, your TensorFlow directly for the projects, I will suggest you to go through some courses on machine learning. Like there is one course by Andrew Ng on machine learning on Coursera, that is free of cost free of cost course, that is full course by Andrew Ng, and that is one of the best course of machine learning which we will find on internet. And I suggest you should go through this course firstly. Also you should read, there is one chapter, fitting of curves in numerical mathematics at B.Tech level. Go through that. That will also give you taste of fitting of curves. That is what actually is machine learning. Okay, so that will help you building your basics of machine learning. Okay, and once you have your base clarity like what is machine learning and what are the things we are doing there, then for any problem at which you want to work at, you can go through some research papers, archives papers. Okay, like these research papers will give you idea what are the problem statements are there in the society which are going on, and uh, what are the problems and what the researchers are doing there, what the peoples are doing there, what is the innovation in today's scenario related to those problems and all. Okay, so this studying this research papers and archive papers is important part. Okay, because there is one purpose, there is some distribution in these research papers. Like there are various sections in these research papers like your abstract, your introduction, your literature review, your proposed methodology, your results, your conclusions. So these are the 4 5 sections are there in research papers. So mostly the innovation thing which they are worked in any research paper is lies into your section proposed work. So you have to see those that section, proposed methodology section, properly, like what they are doing and all. That will give you idea of the research that is going nowadays in any particular area. Okay, and apart from that, you can go and see some of the projects implementations of these research papers on GitHub. Okay, where you will find their source codes. Try to go and read through that and understand what they are doing, how they are doing, how what they have written in research papers, and how they implemented on that coding wise on GitHub. Okay, so that will help you understanding. That will make that is overall process you have to do before going for building your own project. Okay, so you have to understand this thing. Okay, and these things are being taught by professors and you don't know initially. So I will say, so this is the process if you want to go into projects based on machine learning. Like if you want to go on the projects related to web development, then you can there are free websites on the internet like w3schools.com. That is what I refer at my time. And so you will find all the stuffs there like front end, your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, your everything is there. Okay, in front end, and in back end also you will find the things like Python, your PHP, and your Django frameworks and all. Every stuff you will find, most of the things you will find on w3school.com. like how to make the forms, how to do database connections and all, everything, like how to do cascading, how to do styling, how to use event handling using JavaScript. Okay, so everything you will find on this w3schools.com, and you can use you can go through and see how the things are happening, and then you can also search randomly on Google if you have any problem in development thing. So and then you can go for it as well. Like related to augmented reality projects, you can search on Google. Like I haven't worked on augmented reality projects, so I don't have any idea. But you will find some already. There are one site papers with code, papers with code, where you will find open source papers and open access papers with their codes as well. Okay, you can refer those. You will find definitely there some augmented reality papers along with their implementations as well. Similar for your later to your robotics and all things, your Arduino, your sensors and all things. You can use your you can search it out on Google. You can see videos on YouTube. Okay, you will find some methodologies. You will find some past research in that field, and you can use those things, and you can make your projects. You can get the ideas on those projects as well. Okay, so now I am telling you some of the methods, some of the projects which you can build at your B.Tech level. Like if you are interested in web development, then you can go for your attendance management system, your hospital management system, your library management system. So all of these projects are your related to your web development. Okay, like this is your house prediction. Okay, and this is your brain tumor detection and classification using ML. This plant disease identification and using ML. This human skin disease identification using ML. This land use land cover classification using hyperspectral images. So these are the some of the projects which are based on machine learning. So these are the some sample topics where you can work in machine learning. Okay, and I these are some sample projects which I have done in my B.Tech. Okay, and some of these projects I have done, so it's just idea which I am giving here. Okay, and like in like if you are interested in ML, so I will suggest you like start with your simple projects like this, your house price prediction project. Start with this project. Okay, it's a very simple project and based on your linear regression. So it will give you taste of machine learning, how your cost is decreasing with your number of iterations. Okay, you can plot the graphs and how you can see the predictions, how they are coming, how the actual predictions are there, and how your model is doing predictions for the prices for a given house and their features and all. So I will suggest you to start with this project, house price prediction thing. Okay, if you are interested in machine learning, try to start with this project, and slowly as you will see how the linear regression work, how the logistic regression work, and when once you understand how the neural network and all these things are working and all, then you can start on big projects like this brain tumor detection and classification, plant diseases, human skin diseases, this land use land cover classification. Here you can apply directly those uh, neural network and all based on libraries using your TensorFlow, your Keras and all. You can use it directly. You can apply it directly instead of there is no need to write those code manually. You can apply those things directly. Okay, so I'm also attaching as a reference in reference my GitHub link in your comment section in your description of this video, where you will see my source code for the various projects I did at B.Tech, and I will also append some of the research papers which I have written for those projects, and so you can take reference from there as well. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you, like how you can choose the projects and how you can get knowledge about the techniques and how you can go and proceed ahead. Okay, I think this will help you a lot in choosing projects and understanding their basics and how you can proceed ahead in making the projects at B.Tech level. Okay, bye bye.